In today's video, I will walk you through how to view the ETF market on Yahoo Finance. To get started, open Yahoo Finance on your device. Once you're on the main screen, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Markets, which is represented by the globe icon. After entering the Markets section, you'll notice different market categories at the top left. You'll see options for the US market, the Europe market, and the Asian market. You can switch between these sections by simply tapping on the one you want to view. For example, if you tap on Europe, you'll be taken to the European market section. From there, you can scroll down through the available categories. As you continue scrolling, you'll come across sections such as currencies and commodities. If you want to view ETFs, return to the top and select the US market. Once the US market section is open, start scrolling down through the different categories available. Keep scrolling past the commodities section, continue down until you reach the mutual fund section. After that, continue scrolling further until you come across the section labeled ETFs. In this area, you'll find a list of ETFs that are available to view. Several popular ETFs are displayed in the list. You can scroll through the section to see additional options and compare different ETFs available in the market. Each ETF in the list displays information that allows you to review its performance. If you want to look at one in more detail, simply tap on the ETF you are interested in. For example, you can select SPY from the list. Once you tap on it, Yahoo Finance will open the page dedicated to that ETF. From there, you'll be able to view more information and check its performance directly. You can return to the ETF section at any time and select a different ETF from the list. Simply scroll through the available options and tap on whichever one you want to explore. If needed, you can also switch between the US, Europe, and Asian market sections from the top left, and browse the categories available within each market. Continue scrolling through the sections until you find the information you're looking for. By using the Markets section and navigating through the categories, you can quickly locate the ETF section and open individual ETFs to view their information and performance. That's how you can view the ETF market on Yahoo Finance and access ETF listings directly from the Markets area. Thank you for watching.